Ready? Start. Having considered the provisions of the Companies Act and the general principles of law, we would now proceed to examine whether the Customs Act creates a first charge for payment of the customs dues, and if so, harmonize and resolve the conflict between the Companies Act and the Customs Act. The importer of any goods other than goods intended for transit or transshipment shall make entry thereof by presenting electronically on the customs automated system to the proper officer a bill of entry for home consumption or warehousing in such form and manner as may be prescribed, provided that the principal commissioner of customs or commissioner of customs may, in cases where it is not feasible to make entry by presenting electronically on the customs automated system, allow an entry to be presented in any other manner, provided further that if the importer makes and subscribes to a declaration before the proper officer to the effect that he is unable for want of full information to furnish all the particulars of the goods required under this subsection, the proper officer may, pending the production of such information, permit him, previous to the entry thereof, to examine the goods in the presence of an officer of customs or to deposit the goods in a public warehouse appointed under section 57 without warehousing the same, save as otherwise permitted by the proper officer. A bill of entry shall include all the goods mentioned in the bill of lading or other receipt given by the carrier to the consignor. The importer shall present the bill of entry under subsection 1 before the end of the day preceding the day on which the aircraft or vessel or vehicle carrying the goods arrives at a customs station at which such goods are to be cleared for home consumption or warehousing, provided that the board may, in such cases as it may deem fit, prescribe different time limits for presentation of the bill of entry, which shall not be later than the end of the day of such arrival, provided further that a bill of entry may be presented at any time not exceeding 30 days prior to the expected arrival of the aircraft or vessel or vehicle by which the goods have been shipped for importation into India at the due time. The importer, while presenting a bill of entry, shall make and subscribe to a declaration as to the truth of the contents of such bill of entry and shall, in support of such declaration, produce to the proper officer the invoice, if any, and such other. Stop.